friend made me some Filipino food. I never had, well, Filipino breakfast. I like scrambled eggs. He likes it very easy. So I'm just going to see how he does it. Go ahead. I don't know how you do it. I've been watching some videos where the spam is cut, but I'm going to see how you do it.
It's cut, but not into cubes.
Yeah.
So, of course, I need some rice. This is how I do it, folks.
Okay.
Take that.
And did you say you normally put soy sauce in it? But you forgot? Is that what you normally do?
But I forgot. So I usually do. Grab some Spam.
You do cut it up.
I do.
A little bit. And have your first bite.
Ciao.
And chow. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
It is. Alright. I'll just plate mine, I guess. I like scrambled eggs. So, see, how would I do mine? Because I don't know, would I mix it with the rice? Or...
You don't have to. You can just take your, take some egg, put it on top of the rice, cut a piece of Spam, put that on top of that, like this.
Like that. Let's get close up. Like that.
Oops.
Okay. So put egg on here, a little bit of egg, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I want to see if I have any of this stir fry sauce or something. And then I get it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that.
Yeah, I'll use a spoon.
I'll use a spoon? Okay. Alright guys, here's my first bite. Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Nice salt from the Spam. Alright guys, today is Monday at 7 p.m. I just put my laundry in the washing machine. As that washes, I'm going to go to Trader Joe's. Alright guys, I just came back from Whole Foods. I got a bunch of stuff. I'm probably going to do like a Trader Joe's haul since you guys really like that. But my nephew's coming over tomorrow night. I'm going to make him like a birthday dinner. He wanted the hamburgers. I gave him a suggestion of what to eat. He says he likes my hamburgers. But right now, I've got a bunch of stuff. Yeah. So my friend, she made me a vegetable stir fry last week, I think, and this is what she used. It was really good. And so I have some extra Spam and rice from yesterday's breakfast. I'm just going to just make it scramble really fast. Guys, I don't usually eat Spam, but it's just really good with Spam. It tastes really good. Really good. Homemade cheeseburgers. What do you think?
Amazing.
Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. That's what you wanted, right?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't want spaghetti, you didn't want tacos, you wanted cheeseburgers.
Mm-hmm.
Right, you know, I think I made yours. I don't know if I made yours anymore, but if you want it, if you want, you can cut it. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Wants another burger because he said that he didn't have lunch today. And you're gonna put the buns on the I put them on the oven to toast them. You put it on the pan.
I'm gonna wait for it to get super hot. You just you know what I'm saying. Okay, good enough, I guess. I feel nervous with you.
You're nervous? You're nervous? Don't be nervous. Maybe he thinks he can make it better than me. It's not really toasted.
Yes,
But
it
it's
is.
kind of buttery, I guess.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a little toasted. That's a good idea. Maybe I should do that next time. That's a small burger. You make it really thin. If you want it medium rare, it won't be thin. I mean, if you want it medium rare, you need to make it bigger and not so thin. You want any spices?
Oh, where's the
I put
spices?
salt, pepper, garlic.
You see these fingers that touch raw meat?
Garlic.
Ugh!
Salt and pepper.
Holy moly, it's already halfway cooked.
And I use this Trader Joe's 21st. I mean, I think it's good with that, but it might have, at least salt and pepper. But like, if you want it medium rare, you can't thin it on a thing.
Yes, I can.
I guess you could.
Oh,
It's a lot. Holy, that's too much garlic. That's heavily spiced, guys.
I have all my food heavily spiced.
You like your food really spicy?
Yeah.
Heavily spiced food? Wow. Well, don't forget the cheese.
Cheese. Where's the cheese?
Matthew's frying the cheese on the pan. Hilarious. You could have put the cheese on the burger. Nice. What a great burger. It's really good.
Let's stay together.
Yeah, if you make a big burger, it's
So
hard
why are you recording me exactly?
to be my vlog.
If I may, excuse me. Look at this thing. This seems like bigger than the first one.
Let me know if it's pink inside.
Mm-hmm.
It's pink?
It's good.
How pink? That's how you like your burgers? I like mine well done. We just have burgers we're gonna watch in the tall grass. It's a Stephen King movie.
Adaptation.
It's like they're trapped in a maze. It's an hour and 41 minutes. That sounds good. Maybe after we watch it, we can give a little review. It's good. We watched the movie. What do you think of the movie?
It was trash.
Okay, I thought it was pretty good. I would give it 4 out of 5. It was pretty good. I mean, it wasn't like...
It was a 2-star movie.
That was 2 stars, really.
Out of 10.
2 out of 10, wow. I give it 4 out of 5. I thought the ending was pretty good, you know.
Okay, I'll give it 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10? Oh, nice. Nice. So, about these people that got stuck in the maze. It was really interesting. It was different. It was different.
I fucking died.
It was different. Alright, so I have a little bit of hamburger beef, guys. It's Wednesday, the next day after I made those burgers for my nephew. Not much beef. But I thought I'd make some little pasta sauce with it. I have some pasta, some sauce, pasta sauce, some beef, and I might just top it with some melted cheese. So I think that's what I'll have for dinner tonight. I don't think this is enough for a burger. If it is, it'll be a very small burger. I think pasta sounds good tonight. Alright guys, I just got home. It is Friday night, 11:45 p.m. It's super cold, so I'm not going to sleep until it gets kind of warm. At least I have a wall heater. But I'm watching the show called Sex Education. Watched the first episode yesterday on Netflix. It's pretty good. Basically about a high school student. His mom is a sex education therapist, I guess. And he's trying to give people at his school sexual advice. So it's interesting. That was the first episode, so it looks really interesting. So I want to show you my wall heater. This works really well. It just takes a while to get warm in here because this is so cold right now. It's been so cold these days. I'm probably going to have some of these PF chain chicken egg rolls as a snack, is because it's really it's really cold. I want something warm to eat. All right, I also got some more face masks at Rite Aid. This one is just for the eyes. I haven't seen this before. It's gel eye mask, so that looks interesting. This is new. It's a Hawaiian detox sheet mask. It's anti-pollution volcano K. That looks cool. This is a Daylogic Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask. Quench dry skin. That would be good too. Now, these two things are not face masks. I've been having issues with my hair. My hair is really tangly for some reason. So I got this Pantene One Step Nourishing Mask. Quenches dry, parched hair. I just feel like my hair is just really fizzy and tangly. Looks like you leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm gonna try that out maybe tomorrow. We'll see. This was different. This is called a Bear Care Coffee Scrub, chocolate. So I guess you put it over all of your body, I guess. Regular use will leave your skin feeling deeply moisturized, smooth, and ultra clean, while temporarily helping to improve its overall appearance in areas prone to cellulite. Full of caffeine and vitamin E, Bear Care will also help fight the visible signs of aging. Scrub your body regularly every 2 to 3 days, distributing the cosmetic with circular movements on damp skin. Rinse after 5 minutes. I'm probably good on a bath or in a shower or something. So it seemed different. I'll try that out. I've never seen anything like this before. I also got this. I had this before. I did like it. It's Organo Oil Morocco Creamy Hair Butter. You can leave it in or rinse out. I usually just leave it in. So I might try this as well. See if my hair improves. Alright, here's my late snack. Some of these chicken egg rolls with some sweet sour sauce or something right here, and then I got like a little bit of a cheese sandwich on hamburger bread. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Alright guys, today I'm at my massage studio. I have to give 2 Reiki sessions today. One at 10 a.m., one at 12 p.m. And today is Saturday, around 10 a.m. Alright guys, just finished my 2 sessions. I'm going to go home. I'm really hungry and make something for lunch. And I'll probably take a nap and then go to my cashier job. Alright guys, I'm making sloppy joes and I'm actually adding some cheese to sloppy joes so it's really cheesy. Guys, this sloppy joe is really good. Yeah, the sloppy joe is really good. Remember when I did that video with sloppy joes? I did a little bit extra in the freezer. So it's probably the best sloppy joes I've ever had or ever made, but I'm out, so I gotta make some more now.